Welcome to the City of Greensboro e-Procurement System, GePS, Supplier Registration Manual. This training manual will guide you in registering as a supplier in GePS. Completing this process will allow you to bid on open events. If you need additional support, please reach out to the Procurement Services team by calling 336-373-2192, and someone will be able to assist you. Please begin your registration in the Greensboro e-Procurement System, GePS, using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome for your web browser. Other browsers are not compatible with the GePS system. In your browser, navigate to the City of Greensboro website. The web address is www.greensboro-nc.gov. Click on the I Want To tab. Click Bid On from the list. Click on the Procurement Services Contracts link. Clicking on this link will redirect you to the GePS Supplier Portal page. Click on the Register as a Supplier link. Enter a username for your supplier profile. Note, username is case sensitive and cannot contain spaces or special characters. Enter a password for your supplier profile. Note, password is case sensitive and cannot contain spaces. Re-enter your password in the Confirm Password text box. Enter your first name in the first name text box. Enter your last name in the last name text box. Click Lookup button in the main country/jurisdiction code box. In most cases, you will select the first selection in the list, which includes Canada, Puerto Rico, and the United States. Enter your main phone number in the text box. Please include the area code and use this format, XXXXXXXX. If you would like, you may enter your mobile number using the same text boxes and format as the main phone number. Enter your email address in the email address text box. Re-enter your email address in the Confirm Email Address text box. Enter your company name in the Company Name text box. Click the Lookup button in the Tax ID Type text box. Select your tax ID type from the list. Enter your tax ID in the Tax ID text box. Note, please do not add hyphens when entering your tax ID or social security numbers. Click the Lookup button in the Country/Jurisdiction text box. Select your country/jurisdiction from the list. Selecting the country/jurisdiction will expand the address section to allow you to enter the street address. Enter your business street address. If needed, you may enter more information about the address in the second line under street address. Enter your city in the city text box. Enter your state in the state/province text box. Enter your zip code in the zip code text box. Enter your county or district in the county/district text box. If your remit to information is the same as the mailing information, you may check the remit to address box. If this information is different, proceed with the same steps as the address steps above, beginning with selecting the country/jurisdiction code. Click on the down arrow in the business type box and select your business type. View and accept the terms and conditions. You will not be able to move forward in the registration process unless you check this box. Enter the information from the CAPTCHA box into the text box. Click Next. On the Diversity Codes tab, click Create button. Click Lookup button on the Diversity Code text box. Select a diversity code from the list. Click the Submit button. Click Next button. Click Answer drop-down arrow. Select your answer from the list. If you answered yes to question 1, please attach your support documentation. Click on the file icon in the text box. Select the document from your computer to upload. Click Open button. If you answered yes to question 1, click on the Lookup button. Page through the list to select your answer. Select your answer from the list. Click Next button. Click Select Commodity Codes to open the search list of commodity codes. Click Commodity Search text box. Type a commodity in the search box. Click Search. Click the check boxes to select your commodities. You may select multiple codes from the page. Click Attach button. Click Close button. You will see your selections in the list of selected commodity codes. You may return to add more commodity codes by clicking on Select Commodity Codes button again. Enter a new commodity code in the search box. Click Search. Select your additional codes from the list. Click Attach button. Click Close button. Click Next button. You will receive a message on this page that your registration is complete. You will also receive an email confirming your registration. If you would like to make changes to your information, you may click on the My Account button. If you click on the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner of the page, it will open a sidebar. To view events, click Events from the list. To browse Open Events, click Browse Open Events tab. For instructions on how to bid on events, please see the next instructional video How to bid on events. End of simulation.